Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick but important tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to find synthetic indices from Deriv right on TradingView. If you're someone who wants to track or analyze synthetic indices for trading or research, this video will save you a lot of time and confusion, so make sure you watch closely. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find these unique assets, and you'll be able to access their charts just like any other instrument on TradingView. Alright, let's dive straight in. First off, you'll want to be logged into your TradingView account. Once you're there, look towards the top of your screen for the symbol search field. It might just say the name of a market or have a magnifying glass icon. Give that a click. This is basically your gateway to all the different assets and markets you can chart or analyze within TradingView. Now, after you've brought up the symbol search, you'll notice there are a bunch of categories at the top or on the left. Here, you want to click on the Indices section. This is important because TradingView organizes all its instruments by type, and synthetic indices are grouped under indices rather than, say, currencies or stocks. Deciding to narrow your search like this helps keep your results relevant and cuts down on any unrelated assets popping up. Think of it like entering a specific department in a big store, instead of searching the whole building for one particular item. With the Indices section now open, it's time to search for what you're after. In the search bar, go ahead and type synthetic or synthetic indices. Don't worry if the spelling isn't perfect. TradingView's search is fairly forgiving and should bring up related results. Once you type this in, you'll immediately see a list populate with the available synthetic indices, usually prefixed with something like volatility or crash boom indices. In case you're new to all this, synthetic indices are a type of index that's simulated rather than based on real-world assets. They're especially popular with off-market trading platforms like Deriv, so you'll only see these on certain brokers within TradingView's data feeds. Click on the one you're interested in. Let's say you want to analyze volatility 75, just click right on it. The chart will open up instantly, just like it would for any other instrument. Take a moment to let everything load, especially if your internet is a bit slow. These charts sometimes need a few seconds to catch up, so don't panic if it's not instant. Once the chart is up, you can add all your favorite indicators, draw your trend lines, or do any kind of analysis you normally would. In case you're wondering, yes, you can save these synthetic index charts to your TradingView watchlist for even easier access in the future. Just click the star or add to list button. And that's really it. Once you understand how to navigate the symbol search and which category to filter by, finding synthetic indices from Deriv on TradingView becomes straightforward. It's like knowing the secret shortcut in a game. Once you see it, you'll always find your way back with ease. If you run into any issues, double-check you're searching under the Indices section and that you're looking for the right names. And remember, TradingView may update their listings or layout from time to time, but the process should stay pretty similar. If this helped you out, make sure to give the video a like. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or if you ran into a roadblock, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to guide you. And for more simple, clear trading tutorials just like this one, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.